got to cross the road, but it's normally what I do here. Looks like I don't have to pause. Just keep walking. Get me a drink. Give me a, see if they got my sweet tea here.
Thank you.
Peach tea. Let's try that. Yeah, we'll try that. Who's that masked man? I'll take that and 2-pack of Marlboro Red. Shorts. Yeah. Well, I'll let you see it, but I ain't gonna give it to you. All right.
16.15.
All right. We ain't gonna do that. We don't get nobody in trouble. I have an editor. I make sure of that. But you are the only one. Can I have a small bag, please? We will buy roll coins.
Need your receipt?
No, we're good. Thanks, sir. Sometimes you may hear me give somebody a hard time. I'm not going to edit anything out. I know somebody's going to say, you're mean. Quit picking on them people. You're mean. You're rude. Like you, like anybody else, I like to joke around. If my joking around is too rough for you, I really consider you to go somewhere else. Don't want to offend nobody. But he is the only, or she, I couldn't tell if that was a lady or a guy, really. Because the mask kind of hides the face features, right? I went into a, well, it was a truck stop. And this guy had long hair, man. It was halfway down his back. It was straight and blonde. And he was clean shaved. But you couldn't tell if he was a man or a lady, because he had a big mask on. I didn't know what to, I didn't know to say yes ma'am or yes sir. I had no clue. Yeah, I got me some wings in the Burton. Boy, it's starting to really smell good in that truck. I gotta set my dish up so I can watch TV. I'll put this peach tea in the refrigerator. Not gonna drink it until my wings are done. got the truck running, guys, because it's 93 degrees out here. It would warm up in that truck, and Jake and Panda would just literally melt. And I would too. Watch out! Oh, it's smelling good in here. I gotta take the boys out too. So let's set the dish up. Oh, I got a cold Pepsi in there. I forgot about that. But let's set the dish up. Now I'm gonna take the doggies out. Then take the doggies out. Doing. I don't know how much you can see, but watch out, guys. Oh, it's on the bed. I guess I didn't have to do that. Okay. See, Mom doesn't care for the buffalo, and that's what I was trying to tell her. She could probably, you see what's happening to mine? I'm doing this so they don't stick, but the buffalo sauce is coming off, or the seasoning. I got hot sauce in the fridge, so I'll probably have to get some hot sauce, but Tom will like them. I'm sure he will. What's up, buddy? We're gonna take you guys out real quick. Okay? And then we'll come in and chill out. God darn it. I ran the camera into the... Wait a minute. Kate! Where's the pizza? Come here, girl. Girl, stop. I'm trying to hook you up. There we go. There we go. Kate. He's wanting to jump in my arms automatically. Kate, where are you going? Gotta make sure I got her. We got a highway just over there. Panda, stop! Stop! You're tangling. Okay, there you go. Settle down. You're tangling. You're tangling everything up. Go potty. That's why I couldn't. I seen leashes where there's 2 hooks at the end. I couldn't do that. Panda would literally drag Jake. Jake outweighs her, but she's got speed in her. Used to be grass over here, not just weeds. It's all tall stuff, guys. There's no real grass over here. Well, the grass is dying through here, man. Hey, hey, hey. Go this way. We might find some grass somewhere. I doubt it. It's all weeds and dead. See, even that grass over there, it's short, but it's dead. That's dangerous, having something poking like that rhubarb out of that concrete. Somebody running, trip, fall right on that, go right through their chest, kill them. See, I guess people just not really meant to be back here, eh? Who would run across that field, but never know. Hurry up, guys, it's hot out here. Put you back in where it's cool. Okay, come on. Let's go in. I'll take you back out again. Come on, let's go in. Let's go and get a cold drink of water. Well, you tried to jump in there, huh? Alright. Come on, JK. Alright. Go get a drink of water. Alright, I put some corn in this bowl. We're going to put that in the microwave here in a minute. And I'm boiling some water. and or not boiling water. This is another good thing about a coffee maker, because I am going to actually have me there. I can reach it. There we go. I'm going to take that hot water, put it inside there, and have some mashed potatoes. I'll be right back. We're going to be eating a lot of wings, but we got chicken wings, mashed potatoes, and corn. Oh yeah, we're going to be eating a lot of wings, but it is what it is. Thank you, Walmart, for not wanting to keep your extra wings. Well, it wasn't on their bill of lading, that's why, you know, but because of them, we got a free meal here pretty much. So I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna eat this with the video. So we'll be right back.